Students, as you watch my last video, in last video I have said that we have learned a lot of things about the Excel. Okay, now we will learn how to insert the row, how to insert the column, and many more things about the Excel. So let's start. Okay, now students, we will learn about the how to insert new row. Okay, for example, we have colored these cells red and this also red. Okay, you can see that there are uh, one row between the two red row. Okay, now how to insert the new row? You will select the bottom cell. After that, you will click on home tab. You will click on insert and you will click on insert sheet row. And you can see that one row has been added. Okay, as it is, if you want to click the insert the column, how you will do? For example, we have created two columns in color and we want to insert a column between these two. Okay, then you will click here and you will go to the insert and you will insert a insert sheet column. You can see that column has been entered. Okay, you can enter many more column as you need. Okay, now we will learn how to adjust the row height. Then for the adjusting the row height, you will click you will go on the between the row. Okay, you will place the mouse pointer. For example, if you want to stretch the row of 3, then you have to go to the mouse with the mouse pointer to 3, and when your mouse icon has been changed, you can see that now plus sign. You can see now your mouse icon has been changed. When it is changed, then you will left click, press the left click and drag bottom. Then you can see that your row has been stretched. Okay, and if you want to adjust the column width, then same things. You will go to the column line and when your mouse icon has been changed, you click the left button of mouse and stretch. Okay, then you can see that your column also has been changed. Okay, as you want, you can stretch the column or stretch the row as you need. Okay, now we will learn some other things. Now we will learn some important thing about the Excel, like predefined series. Many more series are there. Like for example, we entering 1 and we are writing 2. There are counting numbers 1 and 2. We will select both of them. You can see that here is a small square dot in the bottom right corner. Okay, when your mouse icon you place here, your mouse icon will be changed, and when your mouse icon has been changed, then you click on this and drag to bottom. You can see that all numbers in sequence you are filled here. Okay, and try for another. If you write 1 and we write 3, you can see that there are differences of 2. 1 and 3, there are 2 differences. We do same things and you will see that there are 1, 3, 5, 7. There are 2 differences in both the digit. All the digit have differences of 2. That is a predefined series by which it is automatically filled in the Excel. For the counting, for the multiplication, you can fill the such type of series. Okay, I hope you understand. For example, another example we have taken that if we write 3 and we write 8, you can say there are 5 differences of 5. Okay, and after selecting we will drag it and you can see that 3, 8, 13, 18 all have 5 digit differences. You can see like that. Okay, in Excel there are predefined steps also. Some values are predefined. For example, if we write sun means Sunday, sun means Sunday, and you will alone select the thing on, you will drag Then you can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and after the Sunday free start. Then starts Monday. It is a predefined series. Okay, it is predefined series. Many type of predefined series found in Excel, which is entered by the Excel itself. For example, if we write Jan in the sense January, then you will click and you will drag it. Then you can see all the values of then January, February, March, and so on. For example, we spell all these things correctly. January and January. See January, February, March, April. Like what you want, you can get the with the predefined series some common sequence. Okay, there are some common sequence like just Sunday, Monday, January, February, and many more things you can enter. For example, if we if we press one and we drag only one, you can see that is only one is here. Okay, if you press A, you will drag this, it will be A. You will select A and B, then you can see that A, B, A, whole. Okay, there are some type of series we can put predefined series which can be entered by you with the help of mouse very easily. Okay, now come to the next. Now we will learn about the flash fill. Okay, now we will learn about the flash fill. What is flash fill? Flash fill basically is a small feature of Excel that we analyze the format of the data, and from the basis of these data it fills automatically. For example, we shall give some example. For example, we have write name Anubhav is in section A. Okay, now we will write Raman is in section B. Okay, and if we will write Abhishek and he is section A, and if we will write Rohit, he is in section B, sorry C. Okay, Rajat is in section A. Okay, I hope you are looking this. Is the size. Now you can say we have entered some values. Okay, should we have write a data like Anubhav, success, and many more we have written this. Now we will fix the value as he is in section A. Okay, and you will press the enter. After that, on the home tab you will go to the fill and you will click on flash fill. Then you can see that all the predefined format is extracted from the data and written is here. Okay, you can say reading in 6. It is automatic fill. That's fill known as flash fill. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, now we will learn some other thing in our next classes. Till then, be safe and keep watching.